In today's video, I'll show you a brand new strategy that will allow you to earn $20 in 10 minutes with no selling involved. All thanks to an instant traffic method that will do practically all of the work for you. You can have everything set up and running without having to perform any of the work yourself. This is free and available to everyone wherever you are in the world. So be sure to stick around to the end of this video to find out how to achieve this. Welcome to Money Anytime, where we share money-making tips and tricks through online means. The methods and ideas that we will share are guaranteed up-to-date and surely doable at home, so you can earn money anytime. So if that's what you are looking for, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know what next money-generating trick we have got up our sleeves. You can also leave a comment below if you've got questions or other methods that you want to learn about. But for now, let's go back to the video. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to carry out these steps as well as how to use this strategy in CPA marketing. This is a viable method of financial independence. Since most people are unaware that this is even possible, allow me to demonstrate how to set it up. I'll teach you how to get this viral traffic hack through these methods first, and then you can start making $20 to $30 every 10 minutes. So, let's get into action. Create an account on CPA Grip by going to this website. The next thing to do is check out these monetization options there on the left. If you want to access the URL of file lockers, you can do so by clicking there, and then select Make a New Address or Make a New Locker. To proceed, please select the checkbox labeled I agree and click the Continue button, and we plan to build a new locker that will pay us for our time and effort. Right now is when you get to make it. Keep this tab open and you can do pretty much whatever you want, but I'll show you the precise template to follow. We will be putting it to use pretty shortly. The next step that you need to take is to head on over to YouTube and perform a search for some hilarious clickbait videos. Check that it has broad appeal. If it's truly funny, the comment section may provide additional insight. Since there are so many videos on YouTube and some of them aren't as humorous or interesting as others, it's important to discover something that will stand out. Applying these two factors has been shown to be effective in the past. You will refer to the date of the upload. It could be sorted by views, for instance, and the time range could be today or this week. Therefore, if a video is uploaded very recently and has received many views, we can assume that it is a clickbait. I just wanted to give you a friendly reminder to avoid any YouTube shorts. Long videos like this are what you require. Recent views are especially important, as they indicate that the content is popular and likely to attract more viewers. I've decided to use this one. The address of this video can be copied by clicking here, and after that, head over to Google and simply search for thumbnail grabber right away. To retrieve the video's thumbnail, click that, then paste the YouTube address here. This is the video we will be using. Please get the thumbnail and then copy the actual image itself, not the address of the image. Repeat the procedure several times. But before we move on, make sure you've liked this video by giving us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and see more of the easiest ways to earn money online. The next step is to open Canva and choose the YouTube thumbnail template. In this box, you may conduct a quick search. Consequently, it will provide you with the dimensions of a YouTube thumbnail, and you should select the blank one. Instead of using one of these, we will just copy and paste our image here, and you may adjust the size from there. Then in the Elements section, pick a square or any other form you like, certain that it will be black and that you will be resizing it to fill the entire page. Then right now, make sure to reduce the transparency to 55 by clicking on it, and finish up with one of these circling options. It can be inserted in the same fashion elsewhere. Additionally, ensure the color will be red precisely like this. You'll also want to rotate it so that you can attach one of these arrows to it. Consequently, it will be aimed in that direction. Send it in reverse by right-clicking on it. Similarly, you can right-click the circle and send it backward. This means it will follow after this one. Ultimately, the goal is to add a play button on top of it. The ones that won't play as videos can be moved to the middle by squeezing them between the lines here. Those who are primarily interested in what's going on in this image will notice the red circle in the center of the screen. Now that you have done that, the next thing you are going to do is launch Google Sites. First things first, I'm going to alter the header type so that it simply contains the title. I've got the title in mind and I want to write something intriguing, so I'll go something like this. Then, let's add the image we just produced, making sure to resize it so it's legible and positioning it exactly in the middle within the page's video player. Now, here's a secret tip I have for you. To paste the link address into CPA Grip, you must first return to YouTube and copy the address of the hilarious video you were watching. The locked URL must then be entered at this time. This is the YouTube URL that will be locked, so please upload the video there. Afterward, you may make the necessary adjustments in the templates and switch to a CAPTCHA. Just type in the words, "Please complete the CAPTCHA below" to continue watching the video for free. Here, at this time, please save it. When you finally decide to save this, it will be located at this very spot. Get the URL for this one because it's what you need right now. You'll need to check it out, and then there's the CAPTCHA. Additionally, there is a simple hack you can conduct in Google Sites. To embed the URL directly, click the embed button rather than using the link. Furthermore, Google will transfer the entire website to your landing page, saving visitors the trouble of navigating elsewhere. Then select Insert if you want to make some cash, and the whole page will be inserted. So that the text can be read, please scale it to the appropriate proportions as shown. Before we continue with our step-by-step guide, why don't you tell us what you think about today's method in the comments section below? We'd appreciate your responses. Now, let's continue. Now, our page will appear exactly like this after it has been uploaded. Publish by clicking the button. To earn money, visitors can now either click the CAPTCHA on this page or complete the offers on the following pages. The alternative is for them to click on the picture above. I will now demonstrate how to effectively put this page to work for you and rapidly attract a large audience. Simply navigate to the website known as ChatGPT. We can now more easily delegate all of our tasks thanks to this. Type "Please write me an amazing Twitter post about your chosen funny video" and push enter into the box at the bottom of the page. Just wait for a moment as ChatGPT creates your text. And now, instead of using these hashtags, this is the secret to getting a lot of attention. Since hashtags are essential to Twitter's functionality, go ahead and use Google to look up popular hashtags on Twitter right now. Since they're going to be fluctuating regularly, this strategy requires that you carry out the steps listed above every day. I'm going to teach you the real way to make $20 right now. I suggest copying the full tweet and pasting it in Google Translate, where you may quickly and easily obtain a French translation. Now just make a copy and paste it into Twitter in place of the primary one, making sure it will fit. And now, if a French person is searching these hashtags, they will see this and be directed to your page, which will look something like this. They'll be led to the CPA Grip CAPTCHA locker once they click on the thumbnail. You will be receiving $21 in compensation. And because these hashtags are so popular right now, you may earn this much every 10 minutes by just adding 1 or 2 relevant postings and sharing them online. I hope you got all the steps right, but if you haven't, you can always come back and refer to this video. Let us know how it went for you by leaving a comment about your experience below. Thank you very much for supporting us. We've enjoyed making this video for you today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you haven't yet to make sure you don't miss out on any of our future uploads. You can also check out our channel to see more of our excellent content. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next video.